times. Join 1 to 2, 3, it's 4, 5, it's a artichoke. Yummy, I'm here to eat. Yum. Oh, I'm so happy. Let's join 1 to 2. It's 3, 3 to 4, 5, and 6. What is this? This is a beans. I'm here to eat beans. Oh wow, yummy. It's delicious. Thank you. Let's join 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a cabbage. Oh, I'm here to eat cabbage. Yummy. Thank you. Let's join 1 to 2. It's 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, broccoli. I'm here to eat broccoli. Yummy. Thank you. Now join 1 to 2. It's 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Here are corn. I love to eat corn. Delicious. Thank you. 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a tomato. Oh, I am here to eat red tomato. Yummy. Thank you. Now join 1 to 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's a turnip. I am here to eat a turnip. Oh, yummy. It's very yummy. Wow. Thank you. 1 to 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's an eggplant. I am here to eat eggplant. It's delicious. Oh, thank you. Let's join 1 to 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's a potato. Potato is my favorite. I am here to eat a potato. Oh, yummy. Thank you. 1 to 2. Let's join 3, 4, and 5. It's okra. And I am here to eat okra. Let's eat. Yummy. Thank you. 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's a carrot. I am here to eat a carrot. Let's eat. Oh wow, yummy. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's a spinach. I am here to eat a spinach. Yummy! Thank you! 1 to 2. It's 3, 4, and 5. It's an onion. I am here to eat onion. Let's eat. Wow, yummy. Thank you. 1 to 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's a lettuce. Let's eat it. Yummy. Oh, thank you. Let's join 1 to 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's a cucumber. I am here to eat a cucumber. Let's eat. So yummy. Thank you. Let's join 1 to 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's a radish. I am here to eat a radish. Yummy. Thank you. What is the next vegetable? Let's join 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's a cauliflower. I am here to eat a cauliflower. It's delicious. Bye bye, kids.